Hey YouTube, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the blizzard and how to take care of some animals when it's snowing out like this. So come with me and I'm going to feed the animals with you. I had already taken their water bowls and dumped the snow out of them and put some warm water from inside in there and get it under their shelter away from the snow. Now, since I can't really feed them in this, I'm going to be feeding them in here. This is that water right back here. Just put in for them. I guess this broke apart when we had a last big windstorm. It's like 60-mile-an-hour winds or whatever. There they go. Next, I'm going to take you to the layers and check out what's going on over there. Now for additional feed, I was talking about the peanuts. We're getting to the end of it. Is give them some raw peanuts and some scratch. Probably more of a treat than anything. And take you out to where the hens are. And the rooster. The rooster's kind of a jerk. He has a tendency to attack me or anybody or anything that kind of comes in. So we'll see how this goes. I took in the water and brought it in there for him, and did the same thing with the water bowl that I did in the other ones. Right there. It's fresh warm water. It's actually a lot warmer in here. Plus I got a little mini heat lamp going, making sure their window is closed up for them. Oops. I just pulled 5 eggs out, so they're cold hard. I close up the door over here in the corner. And the rooster's minding his own business finally. Just gonna pour a little bit of extra feed over here for them. They should be pretty good. Hopefully this warms up and thaws out, but if not, we got additional water right there. Their roost bar fell off, so I'll have to put it back up there at a later point. And this is normally hooked up to a timer, but for the storm I just kind of left it on 24/7. But I'm thinking about just turning it off, just leaving it back to its old setup. Alright, we're in the barn now, and this right here is our brooder. What that basically does is inside heat lamps so the baby chicks till they're fully feathered out. They can stay nice and warm even though it's a blizzard out right now. They're doing good. So I just put some water in there, and I'll put another big water in there, and I'm about to replenish their feed right here. Cover this back up. And the other purpose of this is to keep the barn cats from eating all the chickens. And this is the feed right here. I want a quick update on the goat. There's the goat. He got his head stuck in fence the other day. We had to pull him out. He's doing alright though.